So we're back in Lofty. We're going to take a look at doing some automated messaging where you can reach out to clients directly and have the system just do all the work for you. All you have to do is turn those settings on. So when you log into your Lofty, you go to settings. You're going to scroll down. First, we're going to turn on the auto text and auto email, and then we're going to talk about the auto property alerts. So you go to templates text. So again, settings, left, scroll down to templates text, and then right here, auto welcome text. So this is great. It's already set to go. Thanks for my website. I'll be in touch shortly. Feel free to ask, and it has your name. The blue button means it's turned on. If you don't like that message, you can hit the pencil here and it'll pop open, and then this lets you edit it. And then you're good to go. This is a very good, simple message. As long as the status here is turned to blue, every time you have a lead, this message will reach out and do them a little quick auto for an auto text. Now, if you go to email, it's the same thing, automated emails. Now, this one's a little bit better. It has a little more options you can do. I like to go here under welcome email. So first at the top, you click email, then automated email, and then you're going to go to welcome emails. Make sure you click here to show all, and then it will expand your dashboard to show all of them. And you want to go through and show all of your welcome emails are turned on. No matter what kind of client you have or what they're looking for, they're automatically going to get their welcome emails turned on, and they're going to be able to reach out automatically for them because you have the text and now the email. A good thing about the email, say you have a great seller one and you want to edit it, you just hit that edit button, and then it has this vid thing right here where you can change it just like before. But email is great because I can add a video. And see right here, I just have to put in my video, and the video has to be on the internet. I recommend having your video on YouTube or your Facebook or somewhere like that. Or you can have a link and you could put it in there and then the URL, they would click it. So you can get rid of all this if you wanted to. And then you could just say, I look forward to working with you. Check my video to learn something about me. And you could have a quick video talking about helping them sell their home, the value you bring as an agent. Remember, your value add is very important. So talking about the value you bring, how you help agents, how you do well, what you can do for them, all this can be right here in a nice little video. And that way you can just drop the video right here. You'll have your video on YouTube anyway, and you're just going to cut and paste that URL. So they'll click it, they'll see you're welcome, they'll see you. You have a higher conversion rate if you have a video. So it's that way. It'll be great to turn all these into videos. So as you can see, you can have 8 videos right here ready to go, converting people into whatever you want. It'll be great. And then the property alerts are already turned on. You don't have to worry about that. This sends out, we're going to turn these on as well ourselves. So there we go. So that's email. Automated email. So now we turned on text. Auto welcome text is on. Again, we went to email, automated emails. We turn show all. We turn those on. Now you also want the automated property alert, market report, and market snapshot. So if you click auto property alert on the left, make sure it's enabled. And then I like to do it weekly, where it sends out a list of homes weekly. Unless the person's really in a rush to buy a home, then you might want to do it, daily, instantly, whatever you want. I like weekly. For most people, that's enough. A lot of people like to start searching for homes on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays. So I try to get in front of them Tuesday evening, and I'll send it out there. And I'll send out weekly, and it'll be the same zip code area based on a roughly around that same big area as where they're searching for. And once you get into the people is where you can put in there what you're searching for. Another video will get into that. And then you hit apply. Now for market snapshot, you do the same thing. Make sure it's enabled. I leave everything here. I don't exclude anything. And I do this once a week. This is once again just a quick shot. Like, hey, this last week, this is how the market is. Here's how it's changed. Everything was here, etc. Very simple, very easy. And you're going to be able to watch that. And that will be able to go through, and that will be done right there on Wednesday. Again, remember, this is created for you. You don't have to do anything. When a client comes in, if you have these turned on, and as long as they're looking at homes, these will be sent out automatically. That's why we're turning these on, so you have a higher conversion. Because remember, it usually takes 7 to 10 touches or so to get someone to activate and to get them to do anything. So we're doing these automated touches. We already did another video on the smart plans, the campaigns. So we have your plan come out, your welcome text, your email, your property alert, your market report, and your snapshot. Everything comes out at the same time. So that's great. You're going to have it set to go, and it's going to be working. Now I just clicked on snapshot, so I might as well go here, enable. I like to do inquired city monthly for your market report. For your market snapshot, for all your, I don't exclude anything except for new leads. They don't want, exclude the new leads. I don't care. I don't worry about that. And then I want all leads to get my market snapshot. I don't care. They don't want brand new leads to get it here for the setting, but you can turn those on if you want. And you can apply that. I would probably leave it at none and then all for the lead type. And again, right here, it does the same thing. Exclude source, none. Everyone's going to get my leads. They're all coming in and then they're good. They have a couple things excluded like nurturing cold and appointments. These people don't need do not contact. They don't need to get dripped because they've already closed. They've already said do not contact. Lenders already approved them, wrong number, things like that. You don't need to have the drip automatically running for those people because they're not going to get a drip because they're already closed. They have a wrong number, something like that. You don't need to worry about it. So again, automated property alerts. Property alert, I like to do it Tuesday. Market snapshot, weekly. So property alert was weekly. Market snapshot is weekly on Wednesday. So it's not the same day, it's just different days. And then market report monthly, I like monthly. And then it goes out there, and then it's same as Inquired City. If you have all those turned on and you have them saved and they're ready to go, then you're not going to have to worry about anything. All that is going to happen automatically for you once you get it. That's the name of the game with Lofty. Let it do the heavy lifting for you so everything pushes through automatically. That should get you set up. If you watched the video before, we showed you how to do your integrations and lead capture. So you have the leads coming in. They're coming from whatever source. They're going in. Another video, we turned on the smart campaigns. Now they're talking to them automatically. Now you have the property alert market snapshot report. So in the first week, they're going to be touched almost 5, 6, 7 times already just from the automated things, even if you don't do anything else. And then if you have sellers, we'll show you in there how to put the address in. And then the sellers can get automatic like little values of their home to give talking points for you to call them and go over. These are very simple settings, but make a big difference in your conversion in Lofty. These are the basic settings you need to have done correctly. I'll talk to you soon. Woo-hoo.